If z is equal to root 3 plus I by 2, then z to the power 69 is equal to answer A minus I, answer B I, answer C 1, answer D minus 1. So we have to choose one alternative. There are 4 answers. Before solving this question, I shall tell you that watch this video without any break. First write z is equal to root 3 I by 2. It is known that omega is the cube root of unity and its value is minus 1 plus root 3 I by 2. So if we are able to reduce this to this form, then we can use in place of that omega. So try to do this. Z that is equal to, first take minus 1 I common, minus I. So minus 1 minus I minus 1 I root 3 I by 2. If we multiply minus I minus 1 plus I minus I plus root 3 I, whenever it will be multiplied, root minus root 3 I square is equal to minus 1. So ultimately root 3. So here write I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore Z is equal to minus I, this value, replace this value by omega, where omega is the key root of an unity. Now consider z to the power 69, that is equal to, replace z by I omega minus I omega whole to the power 69, that is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 69 I to the power 69 omega to the power 69. As omega is the cube root of unity, so omega cube is equal to 1. As I square is equal to minus 1, so I to the power 4 is equal to 1. So we will write 69, that is equal to 3 into 23, 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6, and 69, divide 69 by 4. 4 on the 4, 2 9, 4 7 the 28, 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 69, 69 is odd number, so this will be minus 1 into I to the power 69, we are writing 69, 4 into 17 plus 1, and omega to 3 into 23. We have shown here how it is written. Now minus I to the power 4 into 17 into I into omega to the power cube whole to the power 23. From the law of indices, x to the power ab can be written as x to the power a whole to the power b. So minus I to the power 4 whole to the power 17 into I omega cube 1 to the power 23. I to the power 4 is equal to 1 to the power 17 1. So finally minus I 1 to the power 23 1. So z to the power 69, that is equal to minus I. Therefore correct alternative is A. Therefore the answer is A minus I. If you are benefited by this watching this video, you may share your friends. If you have not subscribed, you subscribe this channel for future videos uploaded. Thank you.